Welcome, pioneers. Here's an example of simplifying radicals. Let's get started. So in this example, we're asked to simplify the square root of 72 times x to the fourth times y to the seventh power. Now, from class, we know that we can simplify each of these three terms individually. So let's take 72. If we want to simplify the 72 under the square root, we want to factor 72 into two numbers, one of them which is a square. Well, let's just think of some factors of 72. Let's just think of some possibilities. Well, we could do 9 times 8. Maybe we could do 18 times 4. We could do even 72 times 1. We could do 36 times 2. Now, just out of these four possibilities, let's see which one would help us the most based off of what we did in class. Now, the first one, 9 times 8, might seem like a really good option because 9 is a square. But we know that it's best to choose the factors that has the biggest square. Okay, 36 is a square, and that's bigger than 9. So let's factor 72 into 36 times 2. Okay, so this equals, now I'm going to rewrite my square root symbol, 36 times 2, right? Because that's just 72 factored. Then we're going to copy down x to the fourth again, because that's already a perfect square. Now y to the seventh has an odd exponent. 7 is odd. So we need to break it down into its even part, y to the sixth, because we just subtract 1 from the exponent, and its odd part, that's just the normal y. With odd exponents, we always break it up into subtracting 1 for the even exponent and the straggler, right? There's just that y to the 1 that's left behind. All right, now we've rewritten appropriately so that we can just go through and take each square through the portal, quotes. All right, now when 36 comes through, it becomes a 6. And now I'm going to come up and cross out the 36 because I'm done with them. I took him through the portal already. The 2, can't do anything with him. The x to the fourth, I can bring him out. And when I do that, it becomes an x squared. Y to the sixth now I can bring out as well. And when I do that, well, with these exponents, we know that we cut the even exponent in half when we take its square root. That's a rule that we learned. Y to the third power. And finally, the normal y we can't do anything with. So we've taken out all of the square roots that we can take out. What do we have left? Well, just the 2 and the y. Okay, this is our answer. Okay, I hope this was helpful. Let me know if you have any questions.